Okay, we are going to solve this problem from Cambridge International Exam. So we have this diagram that shows the curve. This one, x squared plus y squared quantity squared is equal to 2 multiplied by the quantity of x squared minus y squared. And here we are asked to find the coordinates of m. M is here, and it is one of its maximum points. So this is maximum points, which is our main clue for solving this problem. So maximum points is when the derivative of this one, derivative of a function, is equal to 0. So when the derivative of a function is 0, it can be minimum, maximum, or turning point of a curve. So this is a maximum point, and this is our clue. And because our function is defined implicitly, we need to find out the implicit differentiation. Okay, so now let's rewrite this curve equation. X squared plus y squared quantity squared is equal to 2 multiplied by x squared minus y squared. Okay, now I'm going to distribute this right hand side, so I will have 2x squared minus 2y squared, and I'm gonna just let this one as is. So x squared plus y squared squared. Okay, now let's do implicit differentiation. Okay, now let's do implicit differentiation. Okay, now for the left hand side, we differentiate this square by using power rule. So we'll have 2 multiplied by x squared plus y squared. But we need to differentiate the inside of this function because of the chain rule. So we will have this multiplied by 2x plus this one 2y, and because this is a function of x, we multiply it by dy over dx. This is for the left hand side, and for the right hand side we will have this one for x minus this one will be for y multiplied by dy dx. Okay, now we got the differentiation of this equation, and remember that we have this f prime x is equal to 0, or we can rewrite this as dy over dx is equal to 0. So the function reaches maximum when dy dx is equal to 0. So let's write it here. When dy over dx is equal to 0. So now we plug this as 0. So we get this one. So we'll have 2 multiplied by x squared plus y squared multiplied by 2x. So this will be 0, 2y dy dx. So I only get 2x here. And then for the right hand side, this one will equal to 0, and this one is still 4x. So I only have 4x. Okay. And now what can we do here? So here, if we take a look at m, the x coordinate is less than 0, I mean greater than 0, and y is also greater than 0. So because x is greater than 0, we can divide both sides by x. I mean divide by x. So we can cancel out this x here and this x here. And also we can, okay, let's write this first. So we'll have 4x squared plus y squared is equal to 4, and we can divide both sides by 4, so I will get x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. So let's have this as equation number 1. So we have the maximum point when x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Okay, so now our slide is full. Let's copy what necessary and continue to the next slide. Okay, so far we got that when the function is maximum, dy over dx will be 0, and from here we get x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. So what can we do here? We can substitute this back to the original equation. So what happens when x squared plus y squared is substituted back? So if we take a look here, this is exactly x squared plus y squared. So to the left hand side we will have 1, and that is squared, and then that will equal to 2 multiplied by x squared minus y squared. Okay, this is achieved by substituting to the original equation. So substitute to original equation, and we will get this one. So from here I can get x squared minus y squared is equal to 0.5. So let's have this as equation number 2. So we now have a system of two variables with the variables of x squared and y squared. We can solve that by using elimination. So let's move this here. So we'll have x squared minus y squared is equal to 0.5. Okay, now let's add this up. So if I add this up, I will get 2x squared is equal to 1.5. Okay, so now I will have x squared is equal to 0.75, or from here we can get that x is 0.75 or x is minus 0.75. No, this is square root of 0.5, and remember that 0.75 is 3/4, yes. So when it's squared, it will be, when we take square root of 3/4, we will get 1/2 square root of 3. Yeah, this is 1/2 square root of 3, and this is negative. Okay, and to find y, we use the same process again. So we'll have x squared plus y squared is equal to 1, and then x squared minus y squared is equal to 0.5. But this time we subtract each other, so we'll have 2y squared is equal to 0.5. So we'll have y squared is 0.25, or y is 0.5, or y is minus 0.5. But remember that x is greater than 0 and also y is greater than 0. So we take the positive values of the results, only the positive values. So m will be in this one here, this one, which is 1/2 square root of 3, and then our y is here 0.5 or 1/2. And this is our final answer, and we are done. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes in the calculation. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.